In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a milestone in Wrike. Milestones are a powerful way to track key dates and deadlines in your projects, ensuring that everything stays on the right track. They're great for denoting significant events or points in your project timeline. To begin, head over to Wrike's website at wrike.com. Here, you'll need to log in using your email, which you can do by clicking the login button located in the upper right corner. Once logged in, you'll have access to your personal or team's workspace where you'll manage all your tasks. Now that you're in, the next step is to open a task that you wish to transform into a milestone. You can do this by selecting the task from your task list and opening it in the item view. If you don't have a task ready, you can easily create a new one by clicking on the new task button. It's important to remember that the tasks serve as the foundation for your milestones, so they need to be specific to the milestone you are planning to create. Having your task ready, take a look at the top right corner of the tasks item view. Here you'll see a small icon resembling three dots, which is commonly known as the three-dot menu. Click on this button and it will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. In the drop-down menu, you want to select the option that says Convert to Milestone. This is the crucial step where your task will change its classification from a general task to a milestone. It's worth noting that milestones are represented as diamond symbols on project timelines, signifying their uniqueness and importance. Once you've initiated the conversion, you'll see a few changes in the task. If your task didn't already have start or end dates set, it will automatically use the current date as the milestone's due date. However, if an end date was already specified for the task, that date will automatically become the due date for your milestone. This efficiency ensures that your milestone's timeline remains consistent with your project's schedule. After reviewing the changes and confirming that everything is in order, the final step is to save your work. You'll find a save button which you should click to finalize the conversion of your task into a milestone. Once saved, your milestone is set and visible in your project timeline, ready to help you and your team track progress efficiently. And there you have it, a straightforward method for creating a milestone in Wrike. This quick process enhances your ability to manage and visualize significant points in your project's timeline. We hope this helps streamline your project management tasks and keep your team on track for success. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more handy tips.